Okay, so now let's learn about a kind of important tag, if I may, but that is used regularly if I talk about, which is a list tag. Now, what it does, it actually creates a list for us. Sounds simple. Well, it is obviously that simple. So you can see that here we have a list of contents, which says premises, films, the Skywalker saga, the anthology films, television, then fictional timeline. If I talk about a lot of things. Now the problem here is if I want to create such list, it creates a hurdle for me. So let me show you what is the conventional problem right now. So what I'll do, I'll come here and after this paragraph, I'll open a h3 tag and I'll say contents. I'll save this particular file and obviously when I'll see, I can see this contents, nothing fancy. Now I want to do something like this. So I'll say premises. So I'll open a p tag and I'll say one premise, and I'm not going to put any anchor tag because obviously we have discussed about it. I want to save time and I'll say second here films, films. I'll save the file and now you can see this list is coming here. But the problem here is, let's say if I add something known as television, I'll save the file. Now this television is actually coming as number 2, which I don't want because obviously this is hard coded. Obviously I would say this is hard coded. So is there any way I can actually automate that? So we can, and there is a way of doing that, and that is using ordered list. So how to use an ordered list? What is an ordered list? The same difference between an order and unordered. So instead of this, I'll say opening tag, OL, closing tag, and the content inside that. So I'll say premise, I'll say films, and I'll say television, and I'll save the file, but it is not looking very fancy because I'm missing out a tag, which is inside the ordered list. If I talk about, we have to put one more tag, which is LI. LI stands for list item. So how many number of list items we have, the inside ordered list will contain this li tag. So I'll save here. Once I save the file, you can see I'm getting premises, films, television. Premise, films, television. Now the problem here is bit confusion. You can see how do I do that? So in order to create an ordered list, this OL actually stands for ordered list. And let me actually emphasize that so you guys can understand. And this is list item, and I will emphasize that as well. I hope you guys are enjoying the series because I am actually enjoying. Fine. So this is how you put an ordered list, which is OL starting tag, OL closing tag, and inside that we have LI items, or I would say list item. But now here is something which is different. Inside films we have one more list. Inside films we have one more list. So what I'll do, after this li tag, I'll say OL li, and we have the Skywalker saga, not Sagar, my hometown, li, and I'll say anthology films. I'll save the file, and now you can see this particular thing, the Skywalker saga anthology films, if I talk about, it's coming inside that. It is coming inside that. So this is very important. Now what is the opposite of ordered list? It is unordered list. So the difference is quite similar. I'll say UL LI Avinash, Iron Man, Spider-Man, and Batman. I'll save the file, and if I'll scroll down, you can see Avinash, Iron Man, Spider-Man, Batman. Now, what is the difference between an ordered list and unordered list? It is very simple. You are going to use ordered list when you want to show certain order, and you're going to use unordered list where you don't want to show any order. So this is the syntax of ordered list, and this is the syntax of unordered list. The similarity here is the li item. The similarity here is the li item. So with this video is over. If you have any questions or confusions, please post them in the comment. And obviously, if you have some confusions with previous content, if I talk about, so you can actually watch the whole playlist. And if you want to interact with me live, so we actually have a live weekly Zoom call at 1 p.m. every Saturday. So in case if you have some questions related to your career, you can ask in that particular Zoom call. All the details are available in the link which is given in the description of this particular video, and all the source code is available in the GitHub.